In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up webhooks in Pipedrive. If you're new to webhooks, think of them as automatic notifications that Pipedrive sends to your server the moment something happens, like when a deal is created. They help you keep apps in sync without manual updates. First, log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and head to Tools and Apps, then open the Webhooks section. This is the central place where you can view, edit, and manage every webhook tied to your account, so it's worth getting familiar with this page. If you ever need to pause, rename, or remove a webhook later, you'll come back here. Next, create a new webhook. Click the button labeled Plus Webhooks or Create New Webhook, depending on what you see in your interface. You'll be prompted to fill in a few details. Start with the name. Choose something descriptive that will make sense to you and your team at a glance, something like Deals Created Event or New Lead Notification. Clear names are especially helpful when you end up managing multiple webhooks over time. Now add the endpoint URL. This is the address where Pipedrive will send the webhook payload, essentially a JSON message with the details of the event. Your endpoint can be a route on your server or a dedicated webhook listener. Make sure this URL is publicly accessible, stable, and ready to accept post requests. Using HTTPS is strongly recommended to keep data secure in transit. Your endpoint should respond quickly with a 200-level status code to acknowledge receipt. If it takes too long, Pipedrive may retry or mark the delivery as failed. It's also a good idea to log incoming requests on your end so you can review the payload and troubleshoot easily. Before you finish, double-check that you didn't include any secrets directly in the URL. If you need to verify requests, handle that within your server logic using headers or tokens, not query strings. Also, be mindful of rate limits and build in idempotency on your side, so duplicate deliveries don't create duplicate records. When everything looks good, save the webhook. From this point forward, Pipedrive will send the payload to your endpoint whenever the relevant event occurs. If you're not seeing activity, confirm that your endpoint is reachable from the public internet, that your firewall isn't blocking requests, and that your server is returning a success status code promptly. That's it. Your webhook is set up in Pipedrive and ready to keep your workflows automated and up to date.